welcome to the next part of our multiplication shortcut tricks. Welcome to this part of the root pattern technique. Now we are into the green board. We will find 23 into 11. Let us start from here. How to find any number multiply by 11. There is a shortcut trick here. You write 2, 3 here, any two number or any digit number multiply by 11. You write this 10th digit and the unit digit. You separate this and you add these two numbers and put it in the middle. That is the simple trick you have to follow. Now, we will check it for some other number. Now 34 into 11, what is that? 3 and 4 write here, plus 3 plus 4 is 7. You add the two numbers and put it in the middle. So 374 is the answer. 46 into 11, 4 and 6 you write here. Now 4 plus 6 is 10. A two-digit number is coming. You have to put only single number in the middle. Therefore 1 will carry forward to 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore 506 is answer. You have to put only a single digit number in the middle. Now 84 into 11. So 8 and 4 you separate. 8 plus 4 is 12. Therefore 2 will come here and 1 will be taken over to 8. And if you add 1 to 8, 9, 24 is the answer. So simple. It not only works for a two-digit number, it works for 3-digit, 4-digit, any digit number. Now we will see for a 3-digit number, 231 into 11. Now you add this, you separate this 2 and 1. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. Like that you have to add the immediate next two numbers and put it in the middle, and the first and last number will be the same. Therefore the answer is 2541. We will find another number, 4-digit number, 2135. 2135 multiplied by 11. Now 2 and 5 separate. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So 23,485 is the answer. So simple. Now we will write 4,589. Some bigger numbers are here, multiply by 11. You separate 4 and 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17. So you have to write only 7, single digit. 1 will be taken over. The next 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So you write 4 here. 1 is taken over. Now 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. You have to put a 0 here and 1 will be taken over and added to 4. Therefore the final answer is 50,479 is the answer. Okay. Now we will extend this root pattern technique to another level. Now we will see this 23 into 11. I will see another pattern. Now you imagine there are zeros on the both sides. You follow me carefully. Since the two digits are 1 and 1 in 11, you have to multiply. See, you have to multiply 1 with this 3 and 1 multiplied by 0, then you have to add. That is the real pattern here. See, 3 into 1 is 3, 0 into anything is 0, therefore 3. Okay. So from right to left you have to come. So here this way, take these two numbers. First multiply 3 by 1. Since 11 contains both ones in the 10th digit and unit digit, we have to multiply this 3 with 1 and 0 with 1. Here 2 and 3 both will be multiplied by 1 and they both will be added. So 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 1 is 3. Added this 5. And the last one 0 and 2, similarly 2 will come. So the answer is 253. Now what is the use of knowing this? It seems little confusing, but it will work wonders for you. Now we will take 23 by 12. Instead of 11, we will take 12. We will take this pattern to next level. Then only you can understand the value. Okay. Now, you imagine both sides are 0. Now, 12. Since 12 have a 2 digit in the unit position, we have 2, and in the 10th position we have 1. If this comes like this, what you have to do is multiply this 3 with 2 and this 0 with 1 in the inversely in the opposite direction. So 1 2 is coming here, 2 1 you take it as, you multiply 3 with 2 and 0 with 1. So if you multiply 3 with 2, it will come 6. 0 into anything is 0. So you take 2 and 3. Similarly, you multiply this 2 with 2 and 3 into 1. 3 into 1. So multiply 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7. You understand? So you multiply this 2 with 2 and 3 with 1. And finally 1 into 2 is 2. What is the 10th digit of both numbers? You multiply. Now 43 into 12. You will not going to put any 0 here. Straight away we will find 2 into 3 is 6. The unit digit you multiply. 2 into 3 is 6. Now multiply 2 into 4. Now the 10th digit you multiply and put it as 4. In between, what is the value? That we have to calculate. Multiply 4 into 2 and add to 3. That is the simple trick. If 12 comes means you multiply 4 into 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. So you put 1 here, you carry forward that 1 to 4, then the final value will be 516. 516. So if it is 13, you have to multiply 4 into 3, then you add to 3. Whatever the number you multiply, whether it is 13, 14, 15 or anything, you can find it out. Let us find 32 into 12. Now this unit digit you multiply, 2 into 2 is 4, and the 10th digits 1 into 3 is 3. Now you will find the middle value. Now multiply this 3 into 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. This is so simple. So in this fashion we can able to find 12, 13, 14, 15 up to 20, 19. Up to 19 we can find. We can use this root pattern technique. Okay. So we will extend this to further level. We will extend this to further level. Suppose instead of 12, if we multiply any number by 21. See, the reverse of 21, we will take 12, 21. You will exchange the numbers. In the 10th digit you have 2 and the unit digit you have 1. If it comes like this, the process will be reversed. In the opposite direction we have to do the same trick. Now the unit digit multiply 2 into 1 and the 10th digit you multiply 2 into 2 is 4. The same, you have to find what is the value in between them. Both are same. Now 1 into 3 unit digit 3, 2 into 2 the 10th digit are 4. Now you multiply 2 with 3 and add to 2 in the reverse direction. In previous sum we have to we will multiply the 10th digit first and then the unit digit. The left to right we have calculated. Now 231 into 12. What is 3 digits multiplied by 12? The same thing, unit digit is 2 into 1 is 2, and here you multiply this 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Then the unit digit you multiply 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore 2072 is the value. Like this we have found out. No. Now here for 21 we will go in the reverse direction. That is all. So here the unit digit for 231 into 21 we will find out. So the unit digit you multiply 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore multiply this 1 into 2 and add to 3, the reverse direction. Now because since it is 21, so 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, now multiply 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Then the 10th digits you multiply the last digits, 2 into 2 is 4. The procedure is same, but do it in the reverse direction. Now you can find out what is the trick for finding the value of 21, 31, 41 up to 91. Okay, now we will extend this and try to generalize for any number multiply by any number. For this we will go up to one more level, then finally we will find out what is the final trick, Vedic math trick. Now you multiply 23 into 22. Here both the digits are 2. Now 2 into 3 is 6, the unit number you multiply. Here what you have to do is multiply both the numbers by 2 and then add. That will form the middle number. Now 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 2 is 4, 6 plus 4 is 10. You put 0 here, 1 you carry forward. Then 2 into 2, the 10th digits multiplication is 4 plus 1 carry forward, 506 is the answer. Since both the digits are 2, you have to multiply both the digits and add. That will form the middle number. Now, so 22, 33, 44, 55, these numbers you can follow these patterns. Now we will extend further level. 23 into we will take 42. Now how to find this? We will be confused what number to be multiplied by 4, what number to be multiplied by 2. So here 3 steps involved. The first step, you multiply unit number with unit number. Okay, that is the step 1. 3 into 2 is 6, form the unit number of the answer. Now you multiply the 10th digit with the 10th digit. Okay, that will form the first number. 4 into 2 is 8. So in between what will be the value? What is the value? What is the number coming here in between? That is the step 3. Step 3 is very, very important. Now here I will write like this: 23 into 42. The last number you multiply and the center number you multiply, then you add. You make 2 pairs, multiply and add. That is the simple way to remember. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12. Therefore 16. 16, 6 come here and 1 carry forward to 8. So this 1 carry forward to 8. Therefore 966. This is the general way of multiplying any two number. Any two number, any three number by 2 digit you can multiply. Now we will take this to next level. We will take this to next level. Now 23 into 32 we will take. How to find this quickly? Now 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2. There should be an overlap here. Okay. So 2 into 3 is 6. Now what will be the middle value? 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. You put 3 here and 1 you add to this 6. 736 is the answer. Very quick, you know. You have to do all these things mentally and try to find the value. Now we will find what is the value of 42 into 86. Some bigger numbers. Now 6 into 2 is 12. You multiply the unit digits. 6 into 2 is 12. 1 carry forward. Now you multiply this. 8 into 4 is 32. Therefore you put 32 here. This 1. Now what is the middle value? 4 into 6 is 24. 8 into 2 is 16. Therefore the value is 40. 40 plus 1 is equal to 41. Okay. You put 1 here and 4 you take. 32 plus 4 is 36. 1, 2, 3612 is the answer. Like this we can calculate, we can multiply any two numbers with any two numbers. That is the simple way. Now we will calculate the 25 by 32. 25 into 32. 5 2s are 10. Put 0. 1 take over. Now 2 into 2 is 4. 5 into 3 is 15. Therefore 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. You put 0 and 2 taken over. Now you multiply. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So within 2-3 seconds we can write the answer. You practice this pattern with more numbers. The more and more you practice, it will be easy for you to find any two number, the value of multiplication of any two numbers with any two numbers. Okay. So you have to practice with more and more numbers. That is most important. Now we will extend this to further level, the Vedic math, how the Vedic math uses this trick. Now we will find a 25 multiplied by 32. We will write like this, one by one. Now the 3 steps, they are writing like this. Straight up is the step 1, cross is this step 2, and straight up is this step 3. Now step 1, unit digit, straight up you multiply. 5 into 2 is 10. You put 0 here, 1 taken over, carry forward. So these steps, now this 1 carry forward. Okay, the next step is cross multiply and add. Now you cross multiply these two numbers. 2 into 2 is 4. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19, and add this 1. The value will be 20. You put 0 here, and this 2 is carry forward. Now straight up, the 10th digit. Okay, 3 into 2 is 6, and the carry forward value is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Therefore 800. Therefore this is Vedic math. So all are same. This you will find 24 multiplied by 42. We'll straight away find this, multiply this unit number straight up. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, then you cross multiply. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. You put 0 here and 2 is carry forward. 4 into, now straight up multiply the 10th digit. 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. Therefore 1008 is the answer. So quick, so funny, so interesting learning these patterns. Now this pattern is not over. We can extend this up to some more levels, which is magical. So wait for the another episode of this series. Until then, it is AJH signing off. Thank you.